Aloha folks, this is Aaron from Hawaiian Music School, and today's lick of the day was a Hawaiian turnaround in the key of B flat. Now a lot of people might be wondering why we're playing in the key of B flat on the ukulele. Well, it's a pretty common key in Hawaiian music because a lot of times a slack key player will be tuned to a C tuning, but he'll want to go deeper. He'll want to make it sound even richer, so he'll drop it a whole step to B flat. And when they do that, you as the ukulele player are going to want to know some turnarounds in the key of B flat. So the turnaround that we did was a very basic Hawaiian turnaround that we've played in other keys, but we're going to do it in B flat today. Okay, and it goes like this. Okay, so let's take a look at how we did that. First, we have to know what a B flat chord is. Now, to play a B flat chord, you're going to take finger number 1, bar the bottom 2 strings at the 1st fret. Finger number 2 is going to be up here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and finger number 3 is going to be on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Now, when we play this chord, we're going to slide into it, and so we're going to go. So what that is I'm sliding in, I'm playing 4, 3, then I play 4, 3, 2, and then I hammer on to the 3rd fret. Okay, so that's that first part. After I do that, what I do is I play 4, 3, 2 again. So. Alright, so after that we're going to switch to an F7 chord. It's an E7 shape, but the chord is F7 because we're moved up a half step. So let's take a look at how we form that chord. We take finger number 1 and we put that on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Finger number 2 is going to be on the top string, 2nd fret, and finger number 3 will be at the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. Now we're going to leave the 1st string open. There is an option to put your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret, but we're going to leave that one open for now because we're not playing the string. And it's still an F7 chord without it there. When we play that F7 chord, we're going to play the shape, hammer onto the 5th fret, slide down to the 3rd. Now I'm going to play, which is hold that 2nd string, take your finger off, play the 3rd string. But we want to make sure to put our finger back because we're going to use it for the next part. So we go, play that note again, and then we're going to play the top string, and then our pinky is going to be at the bottom on the 3rd fret, and then we're going to play the B flat. And then we play the motif 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Alright guys, so altogether the lick should sound something like this. Okay, and so that's the lick of the day. Alright guys, so if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiianmusicschool.com, where we go over stuff like this and we take it even more in depth, and we even learn some songs and stuff. So check it out. In fact, right now you can get 2 weeks for free. So I hope I see you around, guys, and thank you for your support. Aloha.